Big news coming in. Tibetan spiritual and religious Guru the Dalai Lama blanking out China in mission succession. The Dalai Lama has appointed a body to name his successor. Remember, because this is about the Tibetan culture, history and future, China has always tried to interfere. There have been instances earlier as well. The Dalai Lama therefore has now blocked China from naming his successor. A big Tibetan anti-China resistance gesture that is being seen is very categorically saying China cannot name the 15th Dalai Lama. And this is a statement that is coming that a body is being made and that association, that foundation will decide. I want to bring a foreign affairs editor Geeta Mohan on this. Geeta, good morning. Tell me more about why would China make that announcement? How and why is the Dalai Lama saying not China? We'll have a foundation of our own that will decide.
Well, Pooja, what China has been doing through the years is appropriating all the religious leaders of Tibet to ensure that they lay claim to Tibet without any questions asked. The only thing that these religious leaders have been asking for is autonomy and nothing more. They'd even recognized being part of China, but that had not sufficed. And the Chinese are very clear that all religious leaders should be under Chinese control. They did that with the Pancham Lama, and now they're waiting for the Dalai Lama reincarnation decision to be taken, where China has already made it clear that the reincarnation will take place in Tibet. But it is the Dalai Lama who sits, and before he passes on, he actually tells his people how the next reincarnation is going to take place. And the Dalai Lama, one very important point, Pooja, was that earlier he said that the Dalai Lama, the next Dalai Lama, would be born outside of China-controlled areas. Secondly, which means neither in Tibet. And then secondly, he's now said very clearly that the Garden Podrang Trust, that's the office of the Dalai Lama, will decide and will choose the next Dalai Lama. So certainly this office and this Dalai Lama is keeping China out of the decision of who the reincarnation would be and where he'd be found.
All right, so this is being seen clearly, remember, as a political issue as well. There have been instances in the past, remember, charges that if the successors have disappeared suddenly, have been kidnapped by the Chinese agencies, so to say. However, right now the Dalai Lama said succession will continue. This process of the Dalai Lama with regard to Tibetan Buddhist culture will continue and the foundation will decide that, not China.